Assalamu alaikum students. In the last lesson we had talked about biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials. Biodegradable materials are the materials which are decomposed naturally into simpler substances. In other words, you can say that these are broken up into small molecules which are easily absorbed by the plants. On the other hand, what were non-biodegradable materials? Non-biodegradable materials are the materials which remain as such in the environment, and these don't decompose or break up into smaller or simple substances. Today we shall talk about the ways to reduce the impact of non-biodegradable materials. Here is a strategy that is called 3R strategies. 3R strategy, it gives us easy way to control pollution which is caused due to non-biodegradable waste. 3R strategy stands for number 1 reduce, number 2 reuse, and number 3 recycle. First one is reduce, second one is reuse, and third one is recycle. We start with the first step, that is reduce. It says that we should stop the production of non-biodegradable materials. अगर non-biodegradable materials की production में कमी आ जाए. And another thing is that we should also stop using plastic bags for groceries, snacks and sandwiches etc. और जो वो चीज़ें जो नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल हैं उनकी प्रोडक्शन में भी कमी आनी चाहिए और हमें उनका इस्तेमाल भी जो है वो ख़त्म कर देना चाहिए. नंबर 2 इज़ रीयूज़. The things which are made of non-biodegradable materials should be used again and again for various purposes instead of throwing them to increase pollution. कुछ ऐसे materials हैं जो non-biodegradable हैं और हमें उनको फेंकने के बजाय अगर हम उन्हें बार बार इस्तेमाल करें तो इस तरह से हम पोल्यूशन को कंट्रोल करने में ये सब काम हमारे हेल्प कर सकते हैं. अगर हम उन्हें बार बार इस्तेमाल करें, these can help us control pollution. Next step is recycle. Recycling means discarded things like plastic goods, broken glass bottles and tin can, उनको एक प्रोसेस से गुजारने के बाद उनको इस्तेमाल के काबिल बनाया जाता है, and this is known as recycling. तो हमें चाहिए कि हम ऐसी चीज़ें जो उनको रिसाइकल करना चाहिए बजाय उनको फेंकने के, हम उनको रिसाइकल करना चाहिए. और जो इन्वायरमेंटल पोल्यूशन है, इट इज़ अ ग्रेट थ्रेट टू आवर लाइफ. ये हमारी ज़िंदगी के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ख़तरा है. इसलिए हमें चाहिए कि एक सिटीज़न के तौर पर हम अपनी ज़िम्मेदारी पूरी करें, अपने माहौल को साफ़ सुथरा रखें, जिसकी वजह से हम पोल्यूशन को रिड्यूस करने में ये हमारी बहुत हद तक मददगार साबित हो सकता है. Here is the summary of the lesson. हमने जो लेसन पढ़ा है उसकी समरी है, ये रिवीजन है आपके लेसन की. The addition of unwanted materials to the environment that make unfit for life is called environmental pollution. Number 2, the material which pollute the environment are called pollutants. वो अज्जा, वो मटेरियल जो माहौल में आलूदगी का सबब बनते हैं उन्हें क्या कहा जाता है? पोल्यूटेंट्स. 3 kinds of pollution are air pollution, water pollution and land pollution. 3 किस्म की pollution आपने पढ़ी हैं, air pollution, water pollution and land pollution. Next, toxic material present in traffic, industrial smoke are the major air pollutant. जो toxic materials हैं जो which are coming from traffic and industrial smoke, these are the major air pollutant. Highly toxic material present in industrial waste and sewage from hospitals and gutters are water pollutants. Domestic trash, plastic bags, agricultural waste, fertilizers, chemical sprays, and other solid waste are major land pollutants. Smoke, sewage, water, industrial waste, solid waste, and oil spill are the sources of pollution. Control on pollution is highly desirable. The public and the government must share responsibilities to control pollution. The materials which are decomposed into simpler substances by natural process and mixed in the soil for reuse by the plants and animals are called biodegradable materials. Materials which cannot be decomposed into simpler substances by natural process are called non-biodegradable materials.